What's up, tappers? Tap like now. I tried to play my guitar and it just wouldn't be in tune across the neck. And that made me very sad. So what I had to do was restring it and intonate my guitar. But I couldn't afford strings unless you tap like now. I've got some D'Addario XLs that I'm going to use. I kind of like these. Anyway, you've seen me restring like 1,000 times, so I'm not even going to do it again on video. Here's how we do the intonation. For sharp, you go towards the bridge. For flat, you go towards the neck. My only string that was really kind of a problem was the D. The rest were fine. I used the Peterson Strobo Clip HD. It's a really good tuner. It worked really well for this application. Anyhow, check it out. It's coming up right away. And then I'm going to play some guitar a bit at the end with that Paul Reed Smith guitar. Thanks, and please subscribe. Laugh reveal at 1 million subs. Tap. So, like I've said, I've used the Paul Reed Smith single cut trim. It's 2006 model. So, you know, nice maple top, real nice guitar. It's fun to play. Good low action. The D string was really the only one that gave me any issue, so that's kind of when you see me adjusting. And now we're going to give it a little play so you can hear how it sounds.